Good day to drive, especially in this 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport with black exterior and interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include tonneau cover, moonroof, trailer tow hitch, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. All wooden mats on the floor with the Tacoma badging. Your upfitted switches, light controls, and traction control. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake, and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. It's a 360-degree one, making sure you see all angles of your vehicle. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Below, your volume control and air vents, your dual climate control system with heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. Room for storage below with a wireless charging pad, USB-C charging ports, and a 12-volt outlet. Your gear shift dial, electronic parking brake, auto hold to hold you if you're towing, for example. Your 4x4 mode and drive modes to switch them depending on the road and weather conditions. And you can have a view of your camera without backing up. 2 cup holders, console with storage below, your glove compartment, and hazard light, sun visors, light controls, sunglass holder, rear window control, and your moonroof control. The screen will be manual, but the glass will be powered. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, running boards, body colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, the gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera will be above the Toyota Tacoma badging. Trailer tow hitch, pin connectors, sensors on the back bumper, and a tonneau cover. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle, and it will pull it down for you because it got a tailgate assist. And here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, 120-volt outlet. And when you're done, lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience, grab handle in the body. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up, and when you're done, just push it down. Anchors to tether baby seat, all with the mats on the floor, a slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, 2 cup holders, 120-volt outlet, USB-C charging ports, grab handle behind the driver's seat, your moonroof, dome light, and your rear heated powered window. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, a tonneau cover, running boards, privacy glass at the back windows, body colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal, blind spot monitoring and a camera, halogen headlights and fog lights, front camera, sensors on the front bumper, more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.